aller,
It means to go. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to go in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in past tense, we should have the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb. For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
être,
and the past participle of the main verb, which is
aller,
You may be wondering why we are using
être,
and not
avoir.
as auxiliary verb for this conjugation. The rule is simple. For any verbs that denotes movement, we should use
Être,
in present conjugation form as the auxiliary verb. The good thing is that we have more or less only 16 such verbs which uses this as auxiliary verb. You will learn more about this in coming videos. Now we have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in past tense. I went.
je suis allé,
You went. Informal way.
tu es allé,
He went. Masculine.
il est allé,
She went. Feminine.
elle est allée,
We went. Informal way.
on est allé,
We went. Formal way.
nous sommes allés,
You went. Formal way.
vous êtes allés,
They went. Group of males or mixed people.
ils sont allés,
They went. Group of only females.
elles sont allées.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I went to the cinema yesterday.
Je suis allé au cinéma hier. Je suis allé au cinéma hier.
You went to the beach last week.
Tu es allé à la plage la semaine dernière. Tu es allé à la plage la semaine dernière.
He went to the supermarket this morning.
Il est allé au supermarché ce matin. Il est allé au supermarché ce matin.
She went to her grandmother's house last night.
Elle est allée chez sa grand-mère hier soir. Elle est allée chez sa grand-mère hier soir.
We went to see a show last Saturday.
On est allé voir un spectacle samedi dernier. On est allé voir un spectacle samedi dernier.
We went to the mountains last month.
Nous sommes allés à la montagne le mois dernier. Nous sommes allés à la montagne le mois dernier.
You went to the restaurant last night.
Vous êtes allés au restaurant hier soir. Vous êtes allés au restaurant hier soir.
They went to Paris on vacation.
Ils sont allés à Paris en vacances. Ils sont allés à Paris en vacances.
They went shopping yesterday afternoon.
Elles sont allées faire du shopping hier après-midi. Elles sont allées faire du shopping hier après-midi.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je suis allé. Tu es allé. Il est allé. Elle est allée. On est allé. Nous sommes allés. Vous êtes allés. Ils sont allés. Elles sont allées.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.